basically I can see the pipe, just looks like a bit of dirt and debris in the bottom of the pipe. Nothing major, just a bit of a tricky connection here that the camera just doesn't want to get by. No. So hold on, let me try and get another locate on this. Go forward again, or is it going backwards?
Am I going backwards?
I think it's going backwards on itself, but keep going in. Let's just see here. Yeah, so the camera's going backwards on itself, but you can see there's, you know, a little bit more dirt in this area, the piping. Well, because it flipped on itself, yeah. Okay, so it seems to just be getting stuck right in the same area here. We're just going to try to get another visual. It's going down, goes through quite a few offsets there. You can see there's another T connection there, tying in right here.
You think that's that gutter over there?
Let me actually try to locate this right here first.